Doing randomized control trial before using any device is absolutely important, because that gives confidence to the doctors to use that device. But as doctors, we go by the data of randomized control trials. It's important that Indian companies come with the data as well, and that should be robust randomized control trial. And this move has already started, and I think it has to expand more, and they have to include more Indian population in those randomized control trial, and the studies should be conducted in India in a proper way.
It's good to have lots of indigenous companies made of our country coming up with newer stent technologies, because every technology that you want to pass on to your patients needs trials, and that is where more and more randomized trials come in. Since we are coming up with a lot of newer products and newer technologies, we want the companies to really start doing trials, in the sense not only pilot studies but more and more randomization, so that we can come up with data that we were lacking till this date. So if we have our own data supported by our own homegrown products, then I think that is where we would really stand up in the world scenario, and we can present the same, that look here, this is the data of our patients, and this is how we are comparing our products to your, and certainly as of now we are non-inferior to your products.
In the era of evidence-based medicine, randomized clinical trials are the topmost scientific way of evaluating a product. In stents, you can't have it against a placebo, so you compare it with some other product which is well known and has a lot of experience. So that is randomized clinical studies, and they are very, very important. So randomized trial with a registry which can go on is one of the best ways of looking at any particular device, product, drug.
So stent technology has developed a lot over the last 20 or more years. So we've gone from bare metal stents to drug-eluting stents to third generation drug-eluting stents we have now, and even bioabsorbable stents. I think really my message is that, as new technologies come, we need to test them rigorously. We need to make sure we're not putting stents in patients without being sure of what the outcomes will be. And I think all patients that have stents early on should definitely be part of clinical trials and registries. So we have some really good data about how effective they will be, and then we'll have the confidence to implant them and know that our patients will have the best outcomes possible.
In interventional cardiology, we always have emerging technologies, be it diagnostic techniques or treatments, including balloons, stents, and here we really have to work and ensure that we have a safe technology that is proven to be effective and does not cause harm to the patient. And hence the need for randomized control trials, where we can compare one technology to another proven technology. We now have new stents, new technologies that have been compared with the so-called third generation stents, rather than going back to just balloons or the bare metal stents or first generation stents. There's no point in comparing new technologies with a previous technology. It's important to compare them with what we have currently and which has been proven to be effective and safe.
So nowadays we do have RCTs with Indian products, so that actually boosts up the confidence of the user. So in RCTs, the Indian products are being compared in a proper scientific way with the existing standard, and the result, if they are encouraging, then actually it boosts up the confidence of the cardiologist as well as the other people who are actually using the product. So I feel personally there is immense importance of this randomized control trial, and in future also, whenever some new products, some new development, some new technologies are there which is available, that should also come through these RCTs, so that the confidence remains boosted up.
Randomized control trials are important to decide whether this device or medicine is being to be used or not for the patient. We have to have data before starting, then only we are safe.